JLP scrutineer Nikki was abducted. And the Labour Party is trying to make this thing into a political thing. They're trying to insinuate and suggest that it is politics that is behind it.
Dirty games.
I knew Nikki very well. And I won't go into all the things, but I had a close relationship with her. I saw Colette earlier. I don't know if she's still here. Michelle may not be here, but Nikki had friends, probably more friends, who are supporters of the People's National Party than those from the Labour Party. Nikki moved through the entire community and interacted with everybody. And nobody never had no problem with Nikki. So I don't know why somebody is going to try to inject politics into it now. I have represented this constituency for 14 years. I've been in the constituency longer. The people know me. And they know say, me no mix up in them something there. My name can call in certain things. Because I lead and I represent with integrity. And I want to say to the Labour at them, me no need to deal with that for win. I am confident that I will win back this seat. I know the margin that I will win this seat by. And I'm going to tell you what that margin is. Not tonight, but when I sit down with you. Some of the man suggests about PMP I deal with them thing there. Because PMP not deal with that in this constituency. And I continue to do my work as Member of Parliament consistently, as I do every single year, year in, year out. That's why I've remained this MP. When the swing is against us, I retain the seat. When it is with us, I retain the seat. And it's not by accident, because people know the work I've done. They know the kind of person I am. Some know a man go start call up my name and insinuate, say we involved in this and we involved in that. The constituency don't have no political tension. It has none. We are continuing to do our work, but people might be seeking relevance, so they might try create a narrative about politics involving this and that. I hope and I wish that Nikki will be returned. The Friday that she was abducted, I went to her house the same day. I've spoken to her daughter, and I hope that she will be returned safely. Because the reality is, in Swallowfield, Labourite and PMP get along very well. Without any hostility, without any argument. Even though people have their own preferences, that is how we have existed within Swallowfield. Nobody who just come into the place and don't know nobody and try to create narrative about division and divide people and use words which may create problems that don't exist. I will win back this seat. I am confident of that because I've done the work and I continue to do the work.
Everything we have, you know me work out for it. So I see nothing here, got bad mind me for it. Every day they see me down the road and me a plan.
Now, comrades, I want to just talk to you a little bit about how we plan to